I'm the Journal Sentinel's Carol Deptolla at the table. Hispania, a restaurant in Delafield that serves Mexican and fusion plates, takes a finer dining approach, but the atmosphere is still relaxed. The conscientious waitstaff wears ties, the tables are covered in white cloths, the flatware and plates are substantial and modern. It has a sleek little lounge area, too, for cocktails, and the bar stocks a range of tequilas and mezcals, but also wines, and including bottles from Mexico. Hispania makes excellent guacamole at tableside. Plates are presented with care, as with the well-done crab cakes served with mango and tamarind sauces. Main dishes include cazuelas, 3 kinds of flavorful stews on one plate, and duck barbacoa, roasted leg meat topped with nicely done seared breast, even if vegetables on the side tended to be under-seasoned. Desserts are noteworthy at Hispania, including tres leches cake, covered with brown meringue. Fresh cheese with membrillo is a nice plate to have with that wine. Read more about Hispania in Friday's Journal Sentinel or at jsonline.com. For News Radio 620 WTMJ, I'm Carol Deptolla.